In today's video we're going to be discussing some of the latest and stylish kitchen backsplash idea. From classic tile to modern mosaics, we'll be showcasing a variety of styles to help inspire your next renovation. Let's get started on finding the perfect backsplash design for your lovely kitchen. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Ceramic tile. Ceramic tile is a classic backsplash and countertop material. When we bought our house, one of the things they had started to work on was a ceramic tile backsplash in the kitchen. This one is colorful and looks beautiful with the white cupboards. Beadboard Backsplash. We put a beadboard backsplash in the kitchen when we updated before, and I love the look. We even put it out in the cottage as well. I would recommend actual beadboard over beadboard paneling to help with moisture and keeping it clean, if that is the direction you would like to go in. Tumbled marble or travertine. Tumbled marble and travertine is such a mix of rustic and elegance to me. I do love the look of it and love that texture is doing most of the talking. Subway tile. Subway tile is a classic choice. It is clean and streamlined and vintage in its look. The bathroom in our bedroom originally had a subway tile wall behind the sink, but not in a vintage good way fashion. It was orange and red subway tile. I think that white or marble or glass is much better. Shape tile. Hexagon or detailed shape tiles are a popular choice when looking for something with a little more interest in the backsplash. They are really popular right now, as are colors in backsplash tiles. Glass tile. The best feature of glass tiles is that they are highly reflective, thus allowing the light to bounce through the room and add to its brightness. Secondly, they are sturdy and have a longer lifespan, which means you won't have to replace them for several years. Lastly, they are easy to clean. Brick backsplash. Not my first thought for a backsplash material, but I have to say I love this look. However, one of our other homes had a brick backsplash behind the stove area. Looking good couldn't be easier, so you'll want to incorporate the rustic charm of this home. Rocks backsplash. Talk about adding texture and interest, it's really pretty, but not sure how this would hold up. Vinyl coated wallpapers. If you are looking for kitchen backsplash ideas on a budget, this is probably it. Wallpaper has a reputation for being fragile and delicate. But the truth is that there is a certain type of wallpaper that is perfect for any kitchen. Full vinyl or vinyl-coated fabric wallpapers are high on the list in this regard, as they are moisture-resistant, very durable, and easily washable to remove grease and other stains. Natural stone. Natural stone is also an ideal material to be used for a kitchen backsplash. Various types of natural stone, from granite and slate to marble and limestone, can be used to add a spacious feel to your cooking area. Stainless steel. A kitchen backsplash made out of stainless steel may be slightly more expensive than most other ideas on the list, but it's safe to say that this home improvement project must be treated as a one-time investment because your backsplash is going to last for a very long time. Mix and match tiles. Who doesn't love colorful and vibrant mix and match designs? If you want to add a splash of color to your kitchen without repainting your cabinetry or the walls, adding a mix and match tile backsplash is probably one of your best options. Thank you for watching. We hope these timeless kitchen backsplash design ideas have inspired you to add some style and character to your lovely kitchen. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.